Hello students, welcome back to my video. So we are doing some interesting patterns about square numbers. So this three number adding odd numbers. So what do you mean by adding odd numbers? So when you add the consecutive odd numbers, consecutive means the serial wise, the continuous. When you add the consecutive odd numbers, then you will get one square number. See 1. So 1 square is what? 1 only. Then 1. Then again next odd number is what? 3. So 1 plus 3 is what? 4. So it is 2 square. So it's 4 getting 2. It is the square of 2. Then again next odd number 1 plus 3 plus 5. So you are getting what? 9. So 9 is again square number of 3. Again next odd number 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. You are getting 16. 16 is again square number of 4. Again next odd number you are getting 25. So 25 is a square number of 5. So in this way it is very interesting to see that when you add the consecutive, the serial wise all the odd numbers, then you are getting one square number. Okay, that square number is what? Total number also. See 1 then 1. How many odd numbers are there? 1 2. So here 2 square. How many odd numbers are there? 1 2 and 3. So here 3 square. How many odd numbers are there? 1 2 3 4. So here 4 square. 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 square. So very easy, very interesting also. The number of odd numbers will decide what is the square number. So if there are 5 odd numbers, then it will be 5 square. If there are 6 odd numbers, then it will be 6 square. Very interesting. So finally it is said that the sum of the first n odd natural numbers is n square. Understood? So this is the meaning. That means when you add the natural numbers, number of odd numbers will be the square number. So if there are 4 odd numbers, then it is 4 square. If there are 5 odd numbers, then 5 square. So you have to add it serial wise. Understood? So if the number is a square number, it has to be sum of the successive odd numbers. So starting from 1. Okay, so you have to start from 1 always. Okay, you cannot start from middle. Always you have to start from 1 and go continuously. Understood? Now another thing, consider those numbers which are not perfect square. So these are what? Perfect square. When you are adding the odd numbers serially, you are getting the perfect square. What about the other numbers which are not perfect square, like 2 3 5 6? Can you express these numbers as the sum of the successive odd natural numbers beginning from 1? We'll find out these numbers cannot be expressed in this form. So these numbers cannot be expressed in this form. Okay, you're not getting the not perfect squares will not get like this. It is only possible in the case of perfect square. Now consider another pattern. What is the pattern? Now consider 25. The number 25 is a square of 5. So successively subtract 1 3 5 7. That means now we'll do the opposite of this. We'll go on subtracting from 1. Okay, go on subtracting the odd numbers from 1. Then we'll get how many, what is the square number, what is the number of this square number. Then we'll get it. So first of all we'll minus with 1, then 24 comes. Then you have to subtract 24 with 3, the another odd number. Then 21, then 21 minus 5, this is another odd number. Then 16 minus 7, it is 9, so another odd number. And 9 minus 9, another odd number. So when you get 0 at last, then you have to stop. Okay, that means how many times you have subtracted the odd numbers? 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5, 5 times. So that is why 25 is the square of 5. So in this way you can determine what is the square number of this number. Okay, what is the number of this square number. So in this way, this is another pattern. You have to go on subtracting the odd numbers, serial odd numbers. Then you will get the then you will find that it is a perfect square or not. So 25 is a perfect square. If you at last, after subtracting, if you get 0 at last, then it is proved that it is 25 is a perfect square. And if you are not getting 0 at last, you are getting negative numbers, then it is not a perfect square. So this is the checking of perfect square. Okay. Now see here another example, 38. So 38, you know this is not a perfect square. So how can you check it whether it is perfect square or not? Again we have to subtract from 1. So 37 comes, then 37 minus 3, then minus 5, then minus 7, minus 13, like this we go on subtracting, and we have seen at last we are getting one negative number. That means if negative number comes, we have to stop here, and it is not a perfect square. We have to get at last 0, then it will be a perfect square. So this shows that we are not able to express 38 as the sum of consecutive odd numbers starting with 1. So 38 is not a perfect square. Understood? So this is the conclusion. So if a natural number cannot be expressed as the sum of successive odd natural numbers starting with 1, then it is not a perfect square. Okay? Understood these things, adding odd numbers? So this is the same part of this pattern. Now try this, you have to see how it is working. So you have to check, find whether each of the following number is a perfect square or not. You have to check like this. If 0 comes after subtracting the odd numbers, then it is a perfect square. If the 0 does not come, it is not a perfect square. So you have to try this by your own. Understood? Okay, next 4 number topic is what? Sum of consecutive natural numbers. How can you express any square number as the sum of consecutive natural numbers? Consecutive means serial natural number. Suppose 3 square. How can you break 3 square in the form of consecutive natural number? How? So you can see here 3 square is what? 9. So how can you break 9 in the serial number? So how can you break it? So what you do first of all, to get the first number, you have to, what you do, you have to, this 3 square, you have to minus by 1, divide by 2. Then you will get the first number. 3 square is what? 9. 9 minus 1 is what? 8. 8 by 2 is 4. So you get the 4, the first number. And the second number will be what? You have to square this 3 square plus 1 by 2. 3 square is what? 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 by 2 is 5. So in this way we will get the two natural numbers. Okay, the sum of consecutive natural number will give you the square number. Okay, again if I ask you 5 square, how can you write the 5 square in the form of consecutive natural number? How can you break this 5 square? So 5 square is 25. How can you break this in serial number? So 5 square means you have to get the first number, you have to minus 1. So 5 square minus 1 is what? So 5 square minus 1, 25 minus 1 by 2. So 25 minus 1 is 24. 24 by 2 is what? 12. So first number we got 12. And the second number how will you get? You have to plus it. 25 plus 1 by 2. So it is what? 26 by 2. 26 by 2 is what? 13. So we got 13. So in this way. So this is the formula. Okay, this is the formula by which we can break the square number into consecutive natural numbers. So at last what we get, the general formula can be like this: n square plus 1 by 2 to get the first number, and to get the second number, and this is the second number, and the first number will be what? N square minus 1 by 2. Okay, this is the first number, and this is the second number, in this way. So always n square minus 1 by 2 to get the first number, and n square plus 1 by 2 to get the second number. So n means this number, whatever is asked here. Understood? So in this way you can do this consecutive numbers. So try this is, again the question is given to do this. Express the following as the sum of two consecutive integers. So 21 square. So 21 square means how can you break it into consecutive natural numbers? So 21 square. Okay, so to get the first number, 21 square is what? 441. 441 plus 1, sorry, it is minus 1 by 2. So 441 minus 1 is 440 by 2. It is what? 220. The first number is 220 and the second number is what? You have to plus it. 441 plus 1 by 2. So 442 by 2. So it is 221. So second number is this one. So 220 plus 221. So you are getting this one, 441. So we can express this 21 square like this in the form of two consecutive natural numbers. Okay, the main formula always remember n square minus 1 by 2 and the second one n square plus 1 by 2. Okay, this is the main formula to break any square number into consecutive natural numbers. So this also you do this by your own. Understood? Now the next pattern, product of two consecutive even or odd natural numbers. How can you find the product? That means how can you find the answer of two consecutive even or odd natural numbers? Suppose 11 and 13. So 11 and 13 are the odd numbers and they are also the consecutive odd numbers. How can you find the answer of this multiplication without actual multiplication? Okay, without actual multiplication means this one. This is called the actual multiplication. We do like this. Okay, so we will not follow this one. Without actual multiplication, how can you get the answer 143? Okay, how can you get? So we'll see how without multiplication we'll get this answer 143. So what you have to do, between these consecutive odd numbers there is one more number. What is that number? 12 is between this 11 and 13, right? So you have to take the middle number. You have to take the middle number 12 and you have to square this middle number. 12 square and you have to minus 1. So 12 square minus 1. 12 square is what? 144. So 144 minus 1 is what? 143. So we get 143 here. See, very interesting, right? So without actual multiplication, how can you get the answer? This is the process. So if there is consecutive odd numbers, then you have to square the middle number, then you have to minus with 1, then we'll get the answer. Okay, now again suppose 13 and 15. So 13 and 15, between 13 and 15 what is there? 14 is there. So what we do, you have to square the 14. 14 square minus 1. 14 square is 196 minus 1, so it is 195. So this is the answer. This is the answer of this multiplication, 13 into 15. Understood? So in this way we can find out the multiplication of any number like this. Okay, so the general formula is this one, a square minus 1. That means a square means this middle number you have to square and you have to minus 1. Understood, students? So this is also very interesting. So next type of pattern is this pyramid shape. Okay, like mountain shape pattern. So this square numbers will go on increasing. See, suppose 1 square 1, 11 square is 121, 1 square is this one. That means this mountain will form a pattern, 1 1 1 like this, 1 1 like this, then 2 2 like this. So this pattern, there's are interesting patterns, the square number patterns. And this is also one type of pattern. 7 square is 49, 67 square is 4489. So it will go on increasing. 7 7 7, here 6 6 6, like this. Here also 4 4 4, then here 4 4 increasing, then 8 increasing, like this. So this type of patterns do not come usually in exams. Okay, so if it comes also, then you can solve it also very easily by seeing only. You have to analyze the pattern, how the pattern is working, then you can write the numbers, missing numbers. So it is not so hard. So the main things I have taught you today, these are the main things: adding odd numbers, then sum of consecutive natural number. Try this you should do in your home, and try this also you should do in your home, and this also you try it. So these are very important. Okay, students, so thank you.